Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm just gonna share with you this is gonna be a short video of my visit to the Sawgrass Orchid and Plant Festival. I did went there and just for curiosity, and it's a day off, so anyway we traveled that far, um, and so we came late, so this is what I got. That's what that interests me over there. Some of them vendors, they already have sold out with their plants. So yeah, and this is I like it. I like the color, you know, the blending of the color and how big it is. And she said she sprayed it with insecticide, so it kind of blemish the blooms, but it's also going out. It's already finishing blooming because one of the bloom is already um, fading. So this one is a Myrmecophilia, and I like Myrmecophilia because of the heat here in Florida, too much sun. They like it. They thrive in a lot of light, and they are tough. You see, their leaves are thick. They're tough. And this one looks like it's a little bit wrinkly, but anyway, so this is the name, um, Keith Goldson. Yeah, it says fuchsia with fuchsia leaf, but yeah, so it's a big pot. I got it for 65, I think. Yeah, and then this one here is from, oh, this one is from Orchid Arrangement. Yeah, that's what it says in my receipt. And then this one here is, it's so cute. See, it's orangey, and I think it looks like a bulbophyllum kind of. Look at those roots, bulbs, but it's let's see, it's Sternocorin. Yeah, let's see if I can get it. It's stuck. Aurifulba. Yeah. Yeah, it's really packed in there, the moss. So this one, like bulbophyllum, I think you need to keep it moist. But the flowers are cute. Yeah. And I'm gonna add a short or a glimpse of the vendors there, what they're selling. Yeah. It was really hot over there. It's in the open, but yeah, it was kind of windy, but it's also very sunny. So yeah, stay tuned, and after this I'll show you short videos of the plant sale over there. This one, by the way, is from Orchids in Bloom, and this one is 25. Yeah, and it's already in flower. Okay.